Myself Shivani, I am solving JEE Advanced 2024 question. If the inverse trigonometric function takes principal values, then tan of sin inverse 3/5 minus 2 cos inverse of 2/5. Solution. Let sin inverse of 3/5 equal to theta. Sin theta equal to 3/5. Pythagoras theorem values 3, 4, 5. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent 3/4. Let cos inverse of 2/5 equal to 5. Cos pi equal to 2/5. Pythagoras theorem ప్రకారం 1, 2, 5 hypotenuse root 5. Tan phi equal to opposite by adjacent of 1/2. We know that tan 2pi equal to tan 2pi formula 2 tan pi by 1 minus tan square pi. Tan 2pi అంటే 1/2. 2 of 1/2 by 1 minus 1/2 whole square. Into cancel. 1 by 1 minus 1 square and 1 2 square and 4. 1 by denominator ni LCM చేస్తే 4 minus 1/4 1 by 3/4. Reciprocal చేస్తే 4/3. Tan 2pi value 4/3. Tan sin inverse of 3/5 అంటే theta తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి theta minus cos inverse of 2/5 అంటే 5 తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి 2pi. Tan theta minus tan 2pi by 1 plus tan theta into tan 2pi. Tan theta value 3/4 minus tan 2pi value 4/3 by 1 plus tan theta value 3/4 tan 2pi value 4/3. 3, 3, 4, 4 cancel. Numerator లో LCM చేస్తే denominator లో 9 minus 16 by 1 plus 1 by 2. That equal to 9 minus 16 అంటే minus 7 by 12 into 2 ని reciprocal చేస్తే 1/2. That equal to minus 7 by 12 to the 24. Thank you. వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.